Good morning! Day 2 dito sa Casa Olivia. Dito yan sa Casa Olivia, The Villas. Tayo! You know, breakfast time.
How do I begin to tell you about this friend who's like no other? Ever since the day he walked into my life, he's been more like a brother. Every day, every minute, there's a shower of love I feel. Something I used to just imagine, tell you now it's all for real. That's why I shout for joy, sing his praises, lift my voice unto the Lord. Shout for joy, sing his praises, lift my voice unto the Lord. Yeah. Now, in case you've forgotten, it's a free gift, you know. It's been an open invitation for every man or woman, every boy or girl, people from every nation, looking up onto the heavens, praising God for what He's done. Ooh, I can hear the chorus singing in their own native tongue. You gotta tell joy, sing His praises, lift your voice unto the Lord. Shout for joy, tell Him all about it. Lift your voice and let it go. Shout for joy, sing His praises, lift your voice unto the Lord. Shout for joy, you gotta tell Him all about it. Lift your voice unto the Lord.
There he is by the door of your heart. Open up and make a brand new start.
Like He said, when you see, you shall find Him.
Think again if you want to refuse. Everything to gain and nothing to lose.
I believe you know just what I mean. Hey, it's the truth, I'm telling you it's real. It's something I believe the world should feel. I think we know all the facts. There's only one who wanna put us back on the right track. People in the west, east, north and south. People that think I'm just blabbing my mouth. It ain't gonna work, I'm never gonna give it up. Telling people what they should definitely know about.
There he is by the door of your heart. Open up and make a brand new start.
Like He said, when you sing, you shall find Him.
Think again if you want to refuse.
You know, lunchtime.
Kukunin mo lang.
Ang akin ni Barbie, kala ko na.
Bakit na kay Abby, oh?
Wala ka. Ikaw na. Galing ni Abby. Wala. Dali, Be! Ay, sayang. Ulit. Treats! Ano ba yung treats? Pag nahulog. Meron pa yung simula. Meron pa. Hindi ako kanya kakainin.
Ulit.
Huwag niyo na lang kainin. Basta kailangan mapasok sa bibig.
Oh, malapit na si Cody, oh.
Hindi, mapasok
Baba mo
sa
konti,
bibig. Bye!
Napupunta sa mata ko eh. Sakit eh.
Nakadilat. Go, Cody! Dali na!
Kaya, malapit na, oh.
Si Cody, oh, dito gumagalaw. Ayun, oh, may
Malapit na, oh. Oh, malapit na to, oh.
Dali! Dali! Cody! Nakagalaw.
Ay!
Lola.
Ulit.
Ulit sila.
Ay, sayang!
Ayun, ay, Cody.
Ba't ako pinapakulit?
Ulit.
Panalo na
Dali, Be! Ah, ganun mo, Be!
Sige, Abi. Abi yan.
Hey, tamagilit ka.
Yan, pero yan, Abi. Ayaw mo lang din ako,
Hindi ko... Wala! Ano?
Brother, dali, brother.
May tiknik kasi dyan. Wala kasing mga ilong, hindi mo.
Hindi gumagalaw, pater. Video mo.
Dito eh! Sakit sa mata na pupunta yung cramp sa mata.
Ay, galing nga, Eric, oh. Galing nga, Eric.
Sabi ba yan? Ayun na eh. Lama rin. Ay, si Cody. Ay! Kung sino na makakuha sa labas nila.
Uy, yan na.
Labas nila. Hindi. Nahulog na kakainin pa nila.
Galing nga. Yan na, Eric. Ay, pa. Bumigay siya sa sa ulo mo. Kahit di kainin.
Wala daw ilong, kaya hindi.
Ano ba naman yan?
Hindi magalaw pag narinig. Ayan na,
Ay, Eric, siya malapit.
Ala! Saloy mo lang sila. Ano? Wala na biyago.
Malapit na, oh.
Konti na, Abi. Konti na.
Panalo na to, na. Ano mo sa bibig mo?
Abi!
Nasa bibig, inano lang nito bigyan mo.
Ay, mali. Yan yung price mo.
Lumpia hindi ito eh. Napupuno eh. Toes. Shoulder. Head.
Galing.
Oh, puna yung mga lana. Bakit puna yung natalo? Puna yung walang up na hawak. Sino rin eh? Si Father. Father. Ano mo ginagawa nito?
Sangkat na lang.
Dapat isa na lang, tatlo sila.
Tatlo tayo eh.
Oh, game.
Ayaw mo to. Ang dalawang up para isa tanggal na.
Oh, sige. Head.
Dapat wala na kayo ko ah. Call, huwag kayong call.
Go!
Knees.
No, tutanggal na.
Head. Go! Dapat yung exercise mo eh. Ganito na rin gusto mo laro, diba?
Tiyan ko na lang. Wala yung instruction
Alas,
ko ah.
head, ears, knees, shoulder,
Totoo na yan ha. Diyos ko na yan.
Oh, Eunice.
Tanggalan na yan ha. Puksaan na.
Joyce.
Uwi ka na.
Oy, Cody! Hugas ka ng plato. Hugas na plato.
Oh, you know the drill.
Oh, Eunice. Love!
Joy!
Hope!
Love!
Joy!
Parang pabaliw ah.
Gumagakbo mo lang kasi.
Paano titimon?
Gumagakbo mo pa daw. Ano gumagakbo?
Love, hindi we love.
We love na yun ah.
Oh, Eunice.
Love daw, di we love ha.
Oh, tanggal na!
Tama naman nila, love. Madalo siya. oh.
Tatlo na lang kayo.
Kaya si we love.
Love!
Joy!
Hope! Love!
Joy!
Hope!
Love!
Wala! Parang ka dito.
Love!
Joy!
Hope! Love!
Joy!
Hope!
Oh, judges. Pasok ba yan?
Sige, pasok. Nakakamaaw eh.
Paangat lang eh.
Pasok.
So, isang kamay lang naman eh.
Nababaliw na talaga to. Nababaliw na talaga.
Gusto niya mamalo. Joy! Joy! Ay!
Pinabutay ka ng ate mo.
Shoulder! Okay lang yan. Shoulder! Shoulder! Bakit kasi tayo po?
Kakaunto ka ngayon dyan, ate.
Tayo kayo straight. Head! Toes! Toes! Ano ba? Toes!
Isang pagod.
Head! Ears! Cups! Oh, isang cup na lang!
Pwede na
Tayo
sa...
na lang!
Pwede na sa Quiapo.
Iba! Iba!
Ay, angat ka
Pwede
na.
sa Tondo.
Mananalo! Oy, isang cup na lang! Goal! Tabi! Isang cup na lang! Apat pa rin kami? Hindi! Sila na lang dalawa!
Tanggal na kayo.
Oy! Okay! Let's! Ala!
Saan ito dalawa?
Head!
Sali daw eh.
Shoulders! Knees! Toes!
Pabay mo. Patagal mo.
Knees! Shoulder! Shoulder! Head! Toes! Knees! Go! Friends, dahil dyan. Ito na lang sa'yo. Okay!
Tagal.
I met this chick and she just moved right up the block from me. And she got the hots for me, the finest thing I need to see. Oh no, she got a man and a sundoe. Oh, when I sit there, I wait for my cue and just listen, play my position like a show star.
Lakas ng hangin, di makapag-drone.
No time, I make this with him now. That's for sure, 'cause I never been the type of fool to happen, but it's something that make me through. I just can't wait, so tell me, what's it gonna be? She said.
Ay,
Ako dinimix ko. Wow!
Gal!
Wow, 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 wow.
Gal! Goodbye!
Ang puno yun.
Hindi.
Ahon ka na?
Makita eh, no? Walang buka eh, hindi makita eh.
Ding, bubugbugin ko ha.
Ay, ka ba? Panilig?
Di nga eh.
Welcome to my vlog.